Are you taking your GR Yaris on a track day? Do you want to get the best camera experience? Are you struggling to find somewhere to mount that camera? Maybe on top of the seat, or maybe it just doesn't fit. You sometimes trying to one-hand drive while recording yourself. That just won't do. Sometimes you'll try and mount it with a suction cup, but it just won't stick. Sometimes you can't even find the right place to mount a camera. Sometimes you do the good old lick job and manage to stick it to the glass, only later to find out, oh no, you've got a sticky mark left all over your window. Do you get in the car and then suddenly get knocked out by your GoPro? Well, I have a solution for you. From Tiguan, you can order a GR Yaris GoPro mount. Comes with a free packet of Haribo and a magazine. Now, just unpack your GoPro mount. It just, well, take the tag off, and then you might need a pair of scissors, ask an adult for help, and out pops your GoPro mount for your GR Yaris. The GoPro mount will mount just like a normal GoPro with the normal included thumb screws. You can even use the extension pieces to get just that right angle that you're after. Fitting is easy. This can be done in under 46 seconds. Just remove the headrest of the chair that you want to use. It might be helpful to lean it forward. And then place a bracket over the two prongs. Slide to fit. Then refit the headrest and Bob's your uncle. And if he's not, it still fits. And there we have it. If you want to order yours, go to the link in the description below and enjoy your free Haribo and free magazine.